Hi, doctor. My upper left molar has been sensitive to temperature lately. I also feel some discomfort when I bite down on hard food.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast on Daily Conversation. I'm Dana Slate.
And I'm Caleb Ryan.
Today is topic number 3, the dentist. We'll learn how to describe different types of pain, understand common procedures, and handle the front desk like a pro.
I'm hoping the only thing I have to say is no cavities. Let's head to the waiting room.
Okay, Caleb. When the dentist comes in, you need to be specific. Don't just say, "It hurts." Is it a sharp pain or a dull ache?
It's more of a throbbing sensation, and it's really sensitive to cold drinks. Every time I take a sip of water, I feel a zing right in my molar.
That sounds like tooth sensitivity. It could be a sign of a cavity or maybe a worn-down filling.
Hi, doctor. My upper left molar has been sensitive to temperature lately. I also feel some discomfort when I bite down on hard food. A filling? Does that involve a drill? I really hate the sound of the drill.
Ask if they can use a local anesthetic or numbing agent. You won't feel a thing once the area is numb.
Can we use some Novocaine? I'm a bit of a nervous patient. Oh, he says we also need to take an X-ray to see if there's any decay under the surface.
That's standard. The X-ray helps them see the roots and the jawbone. It's better to catch a small problem now before it turns into a root canal.
My lip feels like a giant balloon. I can't feel my face.
That's just the numbing wearing off. It'll be back to normal in an hour. Did the dentist give you any post-op instructions?
He said I should avoid eating until the numbness is gone, so I don't accidentally bite my tongue. And he told me I need to be more diligent with my flossing.
Everyone hates flossing, but it prevents gum disease and plaque buildup. Maybe you should try a water flosser if the string is too difficult.
Hi, I'd like to settle my bill. Does my dental insurance cover the full cost of the filling, or is there a copay?
Check if your policy has a deductible. And don't forget to schedule your next 6-month cleaning.
Okay, I'll pay the $50 copay now. And let's book a routine checkup for September.
See? That wasn't so bad, was it? No drilling for an hour and you're all fixed up.
My mouth is still frozen, but my heart is light. Let's go find some soup, something I don't have to chew.
Well, Caleb, you survived the dentist. I'm proud of you. No more throbbing molars for a while.
I feel like a champion, a numb, hungry champion. Thanks for joining us today on the English podcast on Daily Conversation.
We'll be back with another episode very soon. Next time, we're heading to the high-pressure world of topic number 4, the car rental, insurance, upgrades, and inspections.
Ooh, I love a good road trip. But don't go anywhere. Until then, stay tuned, keep talking, and remember, your next great conversation is just one sentence away.
See you in the next podcast. Bye for now.
Catch you later.